Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a coming soon page in Elementor. Let's get started. In order to make this possible, we need to click on this add new page right here in order to create a new page for our WordPress website. Now on this new page that will open, we should be able to be presented with some templates that we can use. So here are some page options. You can see in here features, services, and a lot of things. So for this case, let's just choose in here a blank page. And then for this one, click on this edit with Elementor in order to edit this particular page with our Elementor. So here's now our coming soon page. So let's head over and add in here a container. Now on this container that has been added, let's head over and click on this plus icon. Now you can head over and then add in here some countdown in here. So you can add this for this, but make sure to take note that it's only available for the widget. You can also add in here a counter right here, which is this right here. So you can put in here a starting number as well as an ending number from in there. And you can put in here animation duration as well as 1,000 separator. So for this one, let's put in here a starting number, which is around 1,000, and the ending number will be 0. So you can also put in here a number prefix, as well as animation duration that you want for this case. So for me, I'll just head over and then use this for me. And then this will serve as a countdown that I will have for my store. Now you can also change in here the cool number. See as in blank minutes. And you can also put in here a title HTML tags for this case. So you can also add another thing right here, such as widgets, grids, or anything that you want for this case. So for this one, just click on this plus again, and you can also add some images that you want attached. Now, you can also present in here your logo or anything that you want presented for this case. So I'll head over and add this right here. So if you want to add some text, you can also do so. So just choose in here which structure you want to use, and then just add in here some widgets such as headings, text editors, and the likes. So make sure that this counter is visible because that is the most important thing on the coming soon page from in there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.